Why is currency important? We have a lot of currencies around the world, from dollars to euros, rupees to yen. But why? Whether we pull out paper bills or swipe a credit card, most of the transactions we engage in daily use currency. Indeed, money is the lifeblood of economies around the world. To understand why civilized societies have used currency throughout history, it's useful to compare it to the alternative. Imagine you make shoes for a living and need to buy bread to feed your family. You approach the baker and offer a pair of shoes for a specific number of loaves. But as it turns out, he doesn't need shoes at the moment. You're out of luck unless you can find another baker, one who happens to be short on footwear nearby. Money alleviates this problem. It provides a universal store of value that can be readily used by other members of society. That same baker might need a table instead of shoes. By accepting the currency, he can sell his goods and have a convenient way to pay the furniture maker. In general, transactions can happen at a much quicker pace because sellers have an easier time finding a buyer with whom they want to do business. There are other important benefits of money too. The relatively small size of coins and dollar bills makes them easy to transport. Consider a corn grower who would have to load a cart with food every time he needed to buy something. Additionally, coins and paper have the advantage of lasting a long time, which is something that can't be said for all commodities. A farmer who relies on direct trade, for example, may only have a few weeks before his assets spoil. With money, she can accumulate and store her wealth.